Hey, what are you doing? Oh, hey, Hox. Nothing much. But I heard that our dishwasher broke this morning. Oh, I heard that this morning. Yeah, and who is that? You don't even remember him? He's your brother, Charlie. Charlie! What? She said she needed a break from you anyway, so, You betrayed me! How am I supposed to die with my lotomaniac brother? What? Why would you say that? To your own brother? Because when we went on our first date, I had to take him with me. And he acted like a total maniac. Well, this time he's going to do better. I told him not to do that again. So, next time, we're going to do this ourselves. Too much dishes shouldn't be a problem. Well, we got to go. See you later, dog. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dishes.